Welcome back to Amazing Essay Writing. In the first two videos, we looked at thesis statements and topic sentences. This video is all about planning for a word count. For most essays and written assignments in university, you will be given a strict word limit. It can be really hard to stick to this limit. If you don't plan carefully, you may waste time by writing too much. You will then also waste time having to delete the extra words when you edit your work at the end. This can be a really frustrating experience. One way you can avoid this is by considering the word count carefully at the planning stage. At the broadest planning scale, your essay will have three parts: an introduction, a main body, and a conclusion. Normally, the introduction will take around 10 to 15% of the word count. The conclusion will also take around 10 to 15% of the word count. This leaves the main body, which will be made up of paragraphs. As a rough guide to help us plan, paragraphs are normally around 150 to 300 words each, although there is no definite rule for this. Once you have subtracted the word count for the introduction and the conclusion, you are left with the word count available for the main body. You can then work out how many paragraphs you can have, and so how many points you can make. Remember, about one main point per paragraph. Here is an example of how you might do this. In the previous videos, we considered the following example question. Should school exams be scrapped? Provide a reasoned justification for your decision. Imagine now you had a small word count of 1,000 words to write this essay. We can break up this word count for each section of the essay as follows: 125 words for the introduction, 750 words for the main body, and a further 125 words for the conclusion. Within that main body, we can have about 3 paragraphs of 250 words each. If you have a longer word count, you can plan in more paragraphs, or you can structure the essay using sections with headings and paragraphs within those. Join us again next time, where we'll be talking about using sections and headings to help structure our essay.